What's up guys, this is Flo and today we are going to review the foldable WalkingPad X21. Are you ready? Let's go! Before we start, it is important to mention that I am a fitness professional. I have been coaching thousands of people around the world and I have been owning this device for more than 12 months, so it's time to do an honest review. And if you are not familiar with the X21, it's basically a two-in-one product that mixes a walking pad with a treadmill and it's foldable. Why did I get a walking pad? Well, I was so tired of wasting hours at the gym doing my 10K steps every day. I wanted to spend more time with my family and I was looking for a reliable option. This has allowed me to spend time with my loved one, watch movie, play video game while doing my 10K step, and this was amazing to save as much time as I could. The other things was when my gym was closed or it was raining outside, I couldn't really do the 10K steps, so I decided to make sure I could do this consistently because consistency is key when it comes to change. Its double folding function is definitely one of its best features. It will allow you to store this device anywhere in your house, next to your bed, next to the fridge, or even under the sofa. You got all the options. Considering that most treadmills are absolutely huge, this is definitely a game changer. Its speed goes up to 7.45 mph or 12 km per hour, and this is absolutely amazing considering the lightweight and compactness of this device. Its handle will allow you to stay safe, while its tablet will allow you to watch your favorite movie while working out. It also comes with a security attachment that will stop the device if you have any accident. Now let's talk about the durability. As mentioned earlier, I've been owning this device for more than 12 months and using it quite often, at least twice a week. And so far, the X21 didn't move at all. Its high quality build has been really strong, so I can't complain about it. The motor of the device is still performing really well and I can still enjoy my run. My favorite thing about the X21 is its versatility. I've been able to jog and run and store it easily, which helped me to burn some extra calories and get leaner when needed. This will be amazing for someone who's trying to lose weight, burn some extra calories, or simply have gym anxiety. For example, I prefer to train from home. The X21 looks is extremely pleasing and very modern, and even after 12 months I can still guarantee that it suits my apartment really well. It features an OLED screen that will help you to see your speed, distance, and everything you need to support your run. And on top of this, you will be able to download the app and use it for free to track your progress. One of the concerns you may have is about the noise. Is this device noisy? Well, it's a treadmill, so as you can imagine, it produces some noise, but it's absolutely not that bad, and for that speed, it's absolutely manageable. Let's do a test so you can hear it by yourself. Here I'm running at 12 km per hour. You see, it's definitely not that bad. So far, I absolutely cannot complain about this product and I haven't seen any downfall. And the good news is you will get the amazing discount of $160 off when using the code FITNESSFLO. You got the link in the description, and if you have any question, please feel free to leave a comment and I will be more than happy to answer. And to celebrate Amazon Prime Day, you will get a very special opportunity to have your very own walking pad for less than $270. All you have to do is to click the link below and you will get access to this amazing discount. Well, I wish you a good workout and I see you very soon.